Is that good? Is it? Dorian? Is that good?
Yes.
You all ready for school?
Yes, with my earrings.
Oh yeah, you got your earrings. You excited? What's out there? A little bit of snow, but not much.
Yes.
Getting ready in the morning. This is us going to school in about 45 minutes. Yay! Say good morning. All right, never mind.